sexiest product I can have in my hand after my wife.
Best looking battery on the market.
It is a sexy looking piece of technology.
Number one good looking battery in the market.
Absolutely love the look of it and the performance.
Some people would say I'm an Anker fan. They could be right.
Look at this thing.
I'm obsessed.
I love your battery.
Unheard of. You wouldn't hear any other brand, doing tech sport at 10 o'clock at night.
The response has been very quick and easy, and for us, that is just brilliant for us.
Has been designed for coastal areas.
I think it's going to work for pretty much all Australians.
Pretty much call it the toughest battery in Australia.
It could fit in my narrow side walkway.
Since it is so tight, this is the only battery in the market that is that narrow. When you walk up to it, the light bar will actually engage.
I'm so glad you're in my life now, Anker. You're the best. Stop it.
The Anker SOLIX X1 is definitely where the future's at.
Anker SOLIX. Live in power.